Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titignan natin what's coming to you in the next 2 weeks. From the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, dahil ito ay isang timeless reading, so anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Okay, and if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong promo ngayong November. 25% discount sa mga tarot reading services kapag nag-book kayo. So, yung link nasa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see. Aquarius. Ooh, there's joy. Happiness. Source of happiness. So, yung iba sa inyo, may baby sa bahay or may bago kayong alaga or anything that makes you feel excited, happy. Ayan. Something na nag-i-inspire sa inyo in the next 2 weeks. You also have imagination. So I think yung iba, you're going to be very creative. You will tap into your talents, your skills, yung mga abilities ninyo na kung saan pag ginagawa nyo yun, parang nakakalimutan nyo yung oras. Kasi talagang dun kayo nakafocus, nalilibang talaga kayo. Oo, can be anything. Tipong pagpipainting, pagtatahi, tawag nito, yung pagluluto or anything na nagiging masaya ka whenever you are in that situation or whenever ginagawa mo yon. Okay? So you also have peace. Wow, ang ganda naman ng energies for you in the next 2 weeks. Merong peace of mind. Katahimikan ng isip. I feel like yung iba sa inyo mahanap nyo na yung life's purpose nyo, yung destiny ninyo na kung saan masasabi nyo na ito yung passion ko, ito yung gusto kong gawin. Ayan. Dahil doon makakaramdam kayo ng peace of mind doing that thing, whatever that is. Okay? Na nagsaspark ng inyong interest. Let's see what else. In the next 2 weeks, energies for Aquarius. Oh, speaking of spark of interest, Ace of Wands. Ayan new beginnings, new opportunities, new inspiration for some of you. Related sa passion ninyo. So, you're going to be very interested or invested sa isang project, sa isang trabaho, sa business, or even sa isang person that you just met or parang someone is pinapakilig ka in any way or form. Some of you may travel opportunities. Meron kayong let's say nag-a-apply ka ng passport, tapos natanggap mo na yung passport mo, tapos visa naman, so na-approve yung visa mo. So that will make you feel happy, that will make you feel fulfilled dahil yun yung mga gusto mong mangyari. Baka kasi nahihirapan magpa-approve ng visa, no? So para ka na rin parang alam mo yung parang nanalo sa loto or parang lalo na yung kung yung mga visa na yan like Japan, US, ganyan, yung mga countries na mahirap kumuha ng visa. Some of you naman a project, very interesting project for you in the next 2 weeks. You have the Page of Pentacles. Oh, learning. Something that will spark your interest, your curiosity. Pwedeng may pag-aaral, may research for you. Yung iba naman, related to sa trabaho, meron kayong bagong trabaho na nangangailangan ng training. Yung iba, nagsisimula kayo ng isang negosyo na galing sa inyong talents or skill set, ganyan. You also have the King of Cups, sabihin ko female, feminine energy. I feel like you are connecting to your higher self, connecting to your emotions, connecting to your feelings. So you're going to be very sensitive ngayong in the next 2 weeks. Maari ring meron ditong in love. Oo. Itong feeling of being in love is not just towards a person, hindi lang sa isang tao. This can also mean in love ka sa buhay mo, in love ka sa trabaho mo, sa passion mo, sa career mo, sa business mo. Wow, Nine of Pentacles. Ang ganda. Itong Nine of Pentacles, this is about stability, independence. So, in the next 2 weeks, you will feel good about yourself kasi alam mo na kaya mong supportahan yung sarili mo, na you can do the things that you want to do na walang pag-aalinlangan. Someone na alam mo yung mga energy ng strong, independent woman, yung mga ganon. Or, for some of you, merong magandang resulta yung mga pinaghirapan ninyo, yung mga in-effortan nyo, lalo na yung sinimulan nyo agad, tapos you will see great results in a short period of time. Oo. So, pwedeng nag-start ka ng isang negosyo, tapos nakita mo, pumick up agad. Sa loob ng 2 weeks, nakita mo agad na maganda yung flow, maganda yung pasok ng pera, ng income, ng sales doon sa business na yon. Or sa workplace, na ang bilis mong naka-catch up sa mga kailangan mong gawin, no? Yung responsibilities mo. You are feeling appreciated. Ayan. Believe in the impossible. Wow. This is happily ever after. So, talagang yung iba sa inyo, you really believe in the things na alam mong mangyayari for you dahil trinabaho mo. Or dahil talagang yun yung minamanifest mo. You also have bodybuilder. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are also focusing on building your strength, yung lakas mo. Yung strength naman kasi hindi lang yan sa pangloob, no? This is also about your physical strength. Napaka-importante niyan kasi yan yung nagbibigay sa iyo ng energy, ng productivity, 'di ba? So, isa rin yan sa bibigyan mo ng focus. And you will also network. Maaring marami ka ngayong connections, friendships, communications. Part rin yan kung nagnenegosyo ka, no? Mas lumalawak yung mga connections mo, yung contacts mo, yung mga taong nakakasalamuha mo. Mas umuunlad. Which is going to be beneficial sa career mo, sa business mo. Kasi nagne-network ka. O, 'di ba? Meron kang power. The ability to suck it up is not a superpower. Saying no is own your power. Yes, hindi ka lang oo ng oo. Oo. Hindi ka lang oo ng oo. You know kung kailan ka magsisay ng no. You are setting boundaries. Okay? Ease. Today, I allow life to be easy. Yes, hindi mo isa-stress yung sarili mo sa mga bagay na hindi naman na importante, no? For you, chill ka lang, no? You're going with the flow, you're going to, kumbaga ginagawa mo lang kung ano yung sa tingin mong makakatulong for you. And that will really help na mas maging powerful ka kasi hindi ka nasistress sa maraming bagay, okay? So that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. Good luck.